Hello, I'm Steve Evans, founder and director at People Central, and this is a short video on Microsoft Office and general digital literacy tests and why you should be using them to increase the effectiveness of your selection processes. These skills can be basically broken down into two clear categories. Firstly, Microsoft Office software skills and technical knowledge tests, and secondly, basic computer literacy and more advanced digital literacy tests. With all of these tests available online, it's never been easier for employers to include software and digital literacy testing in their selection processes, and People Central makes the inclusion of these tests even easier by providing you with the world's most tried and trusted tests as and when you need them. No contracts, no annual license fees, no minimum purchase values, no tests with expiry dates, and all the other stuff that drove us nuts when we were people managers in your shoes. Just the tests you want when you want them, no matter whether you test 2 candidates a year or 20 candidates a month. All right, so a little look at Microsoft tests to start with. The most frequently asked for skills tests are the Microsoft Office Suite tests. These tests take place in simulated environments where participants need to navigate the software to carry out tasks. So they're way more effective than multiple choice tests and light years ahead of you asking interview questions about how good somebody is at using Excel or Word. So our Microsoft Office range includes all Office versions from 2007 through to MS 365 for Excel, Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint. Tests are also available at basic, intermediate, and advanced levels. Most clients go for intermediate level tests as they include basic and advanced questions, so quickly and accurately identify the ceiling of someone's skills and knowledge. However, if you want to get into the statistical features of Excel for high-level analysis roles, then the advanced level tests do just that. Similarly, you can use specific tests focusing on things such as Excel pivot tables or Word table modules to pinpoint specific elements of software essential to success in any job. Take a look at the sample reports, and for any of these reports, we should just illustrate the output and also see where these tests of applications in recruitment and development settings by identifying current skill levels and training priorities to get people technically competent in new jobs and, of course, in change jobs. So scroll way down and get down to the other element, which is around sort of basic computing skills tests. So we've looked at the testing for competence in specific MS Office apps, but what about broader digital literacy when working on databases, browsing the web, or just generally operating a computer? The rise in home working has pushed the demand for digital literacy tests up dramatically as people need to become more digitally self-sufficient and savvy in the absence of the tech guy down the hall at work. So if we look at the absolute basics first, the basic computer test is widely used for home workers who log into their employer's systems to carry out basic tasks such as editing text, navigating around a system, moving between windows, and logging in or out. The test also is used extensively in production, manufacturing, and processing roles where shop floor workers are promoted to supervisory roles and suddenly need to use their employer's IT and databases to perform tasks in their new roles. A step up for these is the digital literacy tests, which cover a broad range of skills and competency in being digitally savvy and independent in the workplace. These tests focus on navigation of software, security and file storage, understanding operating system requirements, and some hardware elements too. This test is particularly well suited to people working from home in a broad variety of roles. All of these tests deliver fast results with test performance reports delivered to your inbox within minutes of completion, so you get all the benefits of candidate testing without slowing down your hiring process. One last vital point, online testing has huge benefits for employers and candidates alike, but does present the risk of candidates using clever friends to help them get a higher score than their actual ability. You can mitigate those risks by testing your candidates on site or just using video to actually assist with off-site testing. Look, that's about it. Take a look at the sample reports for the tests most used in your workplace. And if you have any queries about adding skills testing to your process, do get in touch. In the meantime, thanks for watching.